Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if someone hacked your WhatsApp account. Now, let's open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android. The first place to check is to tap on chats here. And you're going to check to see if there are any chats that you didn't make. So hop into all of these and read the last several messages. Make sure you made all those messages and there isn't any that you don't recognize. Next, we're going to tap on calls here at the very bottom right. You're going to do the same thing in here. Check to see if there are call history that you don't remember making. If there's a call on here and you didn't make it, there's a good chance someone hacked into your account. And you can also tap on updates and see if someone added a status on your account that you didn't recognize. So just pop in there and check that. Now, let's say that all looks good, but we want to make sure no one else was able to get into your account. Let's tap on those three dots at the top right if you're on Android, or it'll be a gear icon at the bottom right if you're on an iPhone. And from here, we're going to tap on settings. The first thing that I would check within your settings is to make sure that you have the security set up. So let's tap on accounts at the very top. And now from here, let's first just go to security notifications and make sure this is turned on at the very bottom. If that's off, just toggle this on so you'll get notifications if someone hacks into your account. Next, let's go through the process of setting up two-step verification. Just tap on this and hit turn on and go through the process of creating a PIN. Again, this will help prevent any other device or any other person from hacking into your account. Now, the last place that we're going to check to see if there is an account that is linked or maybe somebody hacked in is let's tap on chats here at the bottom left. And now, again, tap on those three dots at the top right. We're going to check to see if there's another device that is associated with your WhatsApp account. So we can just go to linked devices here. And if you see any linked devices on this list that you don't recognize, then essentially remove them immediately, turn on two-factor authentication, and make sure they don't have access to your WhatsApp account anymore. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.